Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by measuring ingredients. Combine 1 part white granulated sugar with 4 parts water. Bring the water to a rolling boil to remove impurities and help the sugar dissolve quickly. Once boiling, stir in the measured sugar until fully clear. This creates a simple, safe nectar that mimics natural sap. Make sure to avoid additives or colorings because they harm birds. After the sugar is dissolved, remove from heat and let the mixture cool until warm to touch before continuing. Once the syrup is cool to room temperature, you pour it into a clean feeder to avoid burns and to prevent heat-related fermentation. Fill the ports, but avoid trapping air bubbles that accelerate spoilage. Wipe any spills to deter ants and mold. Hang the feeder in a shaded, sheltered spot about 3 to 5 feet from plants so hummingbirds can feed safely and rest nearby. Make sure the feeder is visible from a distance. Once placed, monitor visits to confirm proper placement and accessibility. You finish by keeping a strict maintenance schedule. Change the nectar every 3 to 5 days, or sooner in hot weather because bacteria grow fast. Each refill requires disassembly and a hot water scrub. Use a bottle brush to reach crevices, then air dry completely before refilling. If you notice cloudiness, bubbling, an off smell, or mold, discard the syrup immediately and sanitize the feeder with very hot water. Do not feed until fully cleaned. This prevents sickness. Once cleaned, refill and resume feeding.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.